held at Campo Major General Tomas B. Carinal, Sikatuna Village, Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Special certificate is now presented to Reverend Wang Yang Bo. Palakpakan po natin, Reverend Wang Yang Bo. Congratulations to Reverend Wang Yang Bo, and of course, a miniature Lapu-Lapu image is also presented to Reverend Wang Yang Bo. Palakpakan po natin. This miniature Lapu-Lapu is coming from the QCPD for our guest. Next, special certificate is also presented to Police Lieutenant General Edgar Alan O. Okubo. Palakpakan po natin. This special certificate is now presented to Police Lieutenant General Edgar Alan O. Okubo. Congratulations, sir. Next, the miniature Lapu-Lapu image is also presented to Police Lieutenant General Edgar Alan Okubo. Palakpakan po natin. Congratulations, sir. Next, ladies and gentlemen, special certificate is also presented, this time to Reverend Dr. Choi Chang Huan. Please come forward, sir. Reverend Dr. Choi Chang Huan. Of course, also presenting the certificate is the loving wife of Reverend Dr. Choi Chang Huan. Next, thank you. Next, ladies and gentlemen, another special certificate is presented to Reverend Pastor Lee Sang-soo. Reverend Pastor Lee Sang-soo.